Hello, my name is Louise. I'm an adult and teen services librarian at Morley Library, and in this video, I'd like to share one of our digital media services. It's called Hoopla. Let's get started. I'll show you around Hoopla. We start at Morley Library's homepage, and we're going to go down, scroll down the page a little bit to this blue ribbon, Digital Media at Morley. And right down here in the bottom left of my screen is Hoopla. All right. If you're going to use this in the browser on your laptop or your computer, you would just scroll right up to the top here and click on Get Started and create your account. We'll come back to that in just a minute. If you're going to do this on your tablet or your phone, you're going to go to Google Play. If you're an Android user, find the Hoopla app and install it. If you're using a Kindle, you go to Amazon. If you would like to watch movies only and you stream, you would select one of the 4 streaming services here and search for the app on your service, download it, and then when you use Hoopla on your desktop or your laptop, you can watch, listen, or read anything instantly. If you're going to use it on your tablet or your phone, you have the option of downloading any of those titles, and then you'll be able to watch the movie, read your book, or listen to a book or music offline whenever you are away from Wi-Fi. That's a nice feature to have. You cannot do that if you're using a laptop. All right, so when you're ready to create your account, you go up here to get started. You'll enter your email address, you'll confirm it, you make up a password, agree to the terms and conditions, and the next page screen that comes up is going to ask you to select your library. Once you do that, you'll click on another button down in the bottom corner to move to the next screen, and on that final screen, you will enter your library card and your PIN number. You only have to do that the first time. Then your account is all set up, and you'll be able to log in with your email address and your password that you set up. You can choose to remember it or not. Okay, now I'm going to switch screens. This is what it looks like when you log into your Hoopla account. The gear here for settings that's where you go when you're ready to log out. You have some other options here. You can explore those on your own. I'm going to go back to Hoopla homepage here. My Hoopla shows your whatever you currently have checked out. You can create a favorites list. It'll show your history if you've chosen to do so. You can browse by material format, audiobooks, music, eBooks. You can search everything. You can limit your search by audiobooks, comics. You can search for an author, or you can search for a television or a movie star. Let's try a search for a music CD. And there it is, The Joy of Cooking. And when I'm here, I could just check on that and borrow it. I have 7 days in which I can enjoy this music CD. And once you do that, you can see it's all ready to go. You can click on play and it'll just start with the first song. If it's a CD you're very familiar with and you know you want to start with song number 6, you can do that. Just click on it and it's good to go. Okay. The Joy of Cooking CD will probably make lovely background for this ebook. Forgot to put a space in there. And there's what I'm looking for, a literary holiday cookbook. I'm ready to check that out. So I go down here and I click borrow. I have 21 days in which I can read this book. So in this instance, I've already looked at it, and even though I've returned it and I'm checking it out again, it remembered where I left off. And you can see at the bottom it's still counting pages to load the whole book. And that looks like a pretty good recipe. If you go up here to the 3 bars on the left, you can go through the book by chapters. You can save bookmarks. You can highlight. You can submit feedback to Hoopla if you're having trouble with it. Make some suggestions. When you're done, you close the reader. It's that simple. So you have this feature up here at the top, where if you click on this, then it limits the selections only to things that are suitable for children. Now I'm going to take a moment and search for a movie. And let's try The Count of Monte Cristo. Oops, sorry, I can limit that to movies, and that'll make it a lot easier. And there it is. Now, I can borrow it. I have 3 days to watch this movie, so when you check them out, be aware of that. There, and now that should be part of my favorites list. I checked on that little heart. In my desktop, I can go ahead and start the movie, and it'll start playing right away. I'm going to stop sharing, and I have my tablet right here next to me. And let me see. Okay. It's going to be hard to see, isn't it? Well, that's The Count of Monte Cristo. And that's funny. It's already ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Until next time, this is Louise at Morley Library. Take care. Enjoy.